So long, long ago, far, far away, there used to live a king whose name was Ambarish. King Ambarish was a very pious and very generous king. His name and fame spread far and wide. But his brother was just his opposite. He was indulged in committing mischief and sins all the time. So much so that his name became Paparaj. So King Ambarish was naturally very concerned about his brother. So he requested Narad Muni to become his brother's guru. Devrishi Narad accepted the proposal with some reluctance, and he reached Paparaj's palace. Initially he was welcomed with a lot of pomp and show, but as he started preaching words of wisdom to Ambarish's brother, he became very agitated and started throwing tantrums and started throwing bottles at Narad Muni. So Devrishi Narad had to escape from that place, but before leaving, he told Paparaj, whenever you get a chance, find out the result of having lava matra sadhu sang, the result of having even one moment of association with a sadhu, with an enlightened master. And saying this, Narad Muni left. In due course of time, Paparaja died and he was taken to Yamraj's court. And the moment Chitragupta started reading out all his past karma to Yamraj, Yamraj felt a lot of compassion for Paparaj. And he said, listen, Paparaj, you will be thrown into hell for eternity because you have not done a single act of virtue in your entire life. But I want to give you one last wish. I want to grant you one last wish. You can ask whatever you want and your last wish will be granted. So Paparaj recalled that one question which Narad Muni had asked him to find the answer to. So he asked Lord Yamraj, what is the result of having lava matra, even a moment of association with a sadhu, with a guru? So Yamraj heard the question and said, this question is far beyond my capacity to answer. But since I have promised you, I will have this request fulfilled. Let's go to Lord Brahma. He might be able to answer your question. So they both went to Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma heard the question and said, listen, I am engaged in the creation of this whole world. But this question, I am not the suitable person to answer because this relates to a guru. Let's go to Lord Shiva. He may be able to answer the question. So they all went to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva heard the question and said, I know all the secrets of this creation, but there is one secret to which even I do not know the answer to, and that is the secret of a guru. This question can be answered only by Lord Vishnu, by Narayana. So all of them went to Lord Vishnu and asked him the same question. What is the result of having even one moment of association with a guru? Lord Vishnu heard the question, smiled and said, well, the result is that no matter what your past karma be, you are still delivered to Vaikuntha Lok by all means. So since you have already brought Paparaja here, he can stay here and you, my dear colleagues, can go back to your duties. So friends, this is the importance of having even a momentary association with a sadhu or with an enlightened master. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the great bhakti movement ascetic, has very beautifully written in Bengali, Sadhu Sango, Sarbo Shastro Koy, Lobo Matro Sadhu Sange, Shokol Siddhi Hoy. Which means, all the scriptures proclaim only one truth, and that is having even a moment's association with an enlightened master. And even with a momentary association with a guru, with a sadhu, all kind of siddhis, all kind of perfections come to you. Let me know how you like the story. drop me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Jai Gurudev.